Imagine earning money in your sleep. No 9 to 5, no clocking in, just smart systems doing the work for you. In 2025, passive income is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. And in this video, I'll reveal the top passive income ideas for 2025 that are working right now, even for beginners. From digital products to dividend-paying stocks, REITs, and affiliate marketing, you'll discover exactly how to build multiple income streams that work while you relax. Let's jump in. Creating and selling digital products has exploded in popularity, and for good reason. Thanks to platforms like Amazon KDP, Udemy, and Etsy, you can publish once and get paid forever. We're talking about ebooks, online courses, digital templates, printable planners, software, and apps. Once you create your product, it can be sold to an unlimited global audience 24/7 with zero shipping or handling. Popular niches include self-development, business and finance, fitness and cooking, and hobbies like photography and design. For example, a simple productivity planner or AI-powered Canva template can generate thousands in revenue on Etsy, while you focus on creating your next product. Next up, affiliate marketing. This is one of the fastest growing passive income streams in 2025, where you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Here's how it works. You sign up for an affiliate program. You get a custom link. When someone clicks and buys, you earn a cut. You can do this through blogs, social media like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, email newsletters, or niche review websites. The best part, some affiliate programs offer recurring commissions, meaning if someone signs up for a monthly product, you keep earning every month. Examples of top programs include Amazon Associates for physical goods, ClickBank and Warrior Plus for digital products, and ShareASale for niche e-commerce. Strategy tip: match your affiliate offers to your niche. Fitness influencer: promote supplements or workout apps. Tech reviewer: link to gadgets or software. Now let's talk about dividend-paying stocks and ETFs. By investing in companies that pay dividends, you earn a slice of their profits, just for holding their stock. Big names like Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson are known for reliable dividends. For diversification, there are ETFs like VIG and DVY that focus on dividend-paying companies. Reinvest those dividends and watch your portfolio grow over time. Want real estate income without owning property? That's where REITs come in, real estate investment trusts. You invest in shares of companies that own income-generating properties like malls or apartments. In return, you earn a share of the rental income through dividends. And because REITs are required to pay out most of their income, they're a consistent cash flow option. Popular REIT ETFs include the Vanguard Real Estate ETF and Schwab US REIT ETF. Whether you're new to investing or just want a more hands-off option, REITs are a great way to diversify your portfolio and build steady cash flow. Here's a unique one: peer-to-peer lending. Instead of keeping your money in a savings account, you can lend it to individuals or businesses through online platforms. They pay you back with interest, often much higher than a traditional bank. With auto-invest features and low entry points, it's becoming a solid passive income stream as long as you manage risk. Top platforms in 2025 include Lending Club, Prosper, and Funding Circle. Just like any investment, there's risk involved. But with proper diversification, P2P lending can become a powerful passive income stream. So there you have it, 5 ways to build passive income in 2025. Digital products, affiliate marketing, dividend stocks, REITs, peer-to-peer lending. Start small, stay consistent, and let your money work harder than you do. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't miss our next video: how to use DeepSeek to do affiliate marketing in 2025. Hit subscribe, tap the bell, and join thousands building financial freedom in 2025 and beyond.